Hey guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete messages on TikTok. So first of all, you're gonna go to your inbox, and here you will be able to see your messages and your requests. So first of all, if you want to delete a whole conversation, you just basically have to go to the conversation which you want to delete and swipe and just click on delete and confirm. Now, I don't want to delete this, so I'm not going to. Another thing you can do is if you want to delete messages, for example, I send a message and I just want to instantly delete this message. You won't be able to delete this message because this is just a request. But once the other user accepted your request, you will be able to see that they seen the message. You just need to hold down onto the message and click on delete for me. So this is only going to be deleted for you. There's no way basically to just unsend the message on TikTok, so you have to be careful with what you say on TikTok. Alright, so all in all, this is how you delete a message on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.